Oh yeah, baby. Welcome back. It's been a long, cold winter. But with the thaw on, well, in today's world, why did I come back to film? For a little bit of normalcy. Let's go! I love my Ryft. I've had it for a very long time, sure. And it's not a big view getter, but at this stage of the game, it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to get outside and have some fun with a kick butt rock crawler. Well, rock racer, really. Well, rock bouncer. Just great articulation. So a lot of people have asked me over the years, because I've been using them a long time, what are those shocks? And they are old UNTiL MSR10s. I got 6 of them on here. Adjustable, rebuildable. Oh yeah. It's been months since I've been out. What a beaut. It's a great shot. Ooh, hungry Axel, eating up that grass. Power! Yeah, springtime crawling has always appealed to me. A, because all the fresh new growth after a cold winter, and it's not too hot. Shout out to all my fellow crawlers that are out there right now slathering over the fact that I'm out here in the creek. How many people are waiting to get out in their own creek areas? Let me know in the comments section. Are you jonesing right now, or are you already out there? Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. It's all... going deep here. Keeping my snorkels above the water for realism, which is hilarious, because it would have sucked in so much water already. Yeah, baby, chew. Chew, chew, chew. Yeah. Do I have enough wide angle? Oh, that was awesome. I didn't land it, but that was much better than I expected. Let's go again. Same spot. Yeah, that's better. Like for me, this is the best form of exercise. Some people have dogs, so do I. But we've got a large acreage for them to run around with and goats to herd. Out here for me, just the beautiful nature. Look at this setup. And then calmness, really. Deep water, here we go. Swim, buddy, swim. Oh, I got in a bad spot. Oh! High centered. I could see it coming. All right, a little help from the foot. Didn't take much. What a beautiful area. Yeah, I'm not without snow. Got some kicking around. It was snowing a little bit today, but where I live in Nova Scotia, we actually got 4 seasons here. Where I lived in Alberta, it basically went from cold to hot. All right, let's drop down. Excellent. Back up a bit here. And away we go. So I'm on a 4S LiPo for those that are wondering. So like 16 volts. That's why I can get those bursts of speed. If I could just learn how to control it. What am I, 18? Just fast and out of control. Plenty of horsepower. My battery is 3,700 milliamp hour. Quite a bit. Oh, dug myself a hole. It's soft in here. Oh, and I lost my front. Oh, it came undone. Oh, my front nut came out. Oof. Oh, and done. Well, I think it was a good run. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you're into RCs, I've got thousands of videos to check out on my channel. Hopefully you get a chance to go outside and enjoy a little bit of RC yourself. Until next time, guys, I'm heading back to the shop. The RC hobby, something that transcends language, transcends politics, transcends all of it. Just people getting together, or even on your own, just to have a breath of fresh air, some exercise, and a good time.